Hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to register in myFUNAI visual learning environment. To get started, all you need to do is to log on to myfunai.citylearn.net. So you can see it here. So once you log on, so this is what you have. This is where you provide your email, your username or email, and this is where you provide your password. So if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, so all you need to do is to click on register here. So once you click on register, you can now create your account. But if you have an account and you forgot your password, all you need to do is to click on forgot password. Then you provide your email address. A password reset link will be sent to your email. From there you can reset your password. So but to register, all I need to do is to click on register. So what we have here is where you provide your access code. So to get your access code, all you need to do is to contact your department. So from your department you get your access code. So since I have my access code, I will enter my access code. So this is it. So I click on continue. Now, this is where you provide your details, your full name, your username, mobile number, email. Then this is password. So this is where you enter your password and you confirm your password, okay? So once you're done, you click on register. But since I already have an account, I don't have to click on register. So all I need to do is to log in, okay? So I click on login and come back to here. I can provide my username. I already have my demo account, demo tutor. So I click on login. So this is it. So I'm in. So this is it. So this is what it is to register and log in to my myFUNAI visual learning environment. So thank you.